Good morning. This is Larry McMillan with the stock market update on Monday, November 10th. I'm on the road today, so the lighting isn't quite as good as normal. Anyway, last week the market was down fairly sharply, especially on Friday, and it seemed like the bears were about to take control. But then late Friday, the market reversed back to the upside on rumors that the government shutdown would end. Those rumors persisted over the weekend, and now this morning S&P futures are up over 70 points. So I would say the indicators are in flux here. We certainly still have some negative indicators, but others are turning slightly positive. So let's talk about the S&P chart itself. That's the one thing we've been relying on. There was support at 67.50. And the market broke down below that last week and closed below that level for 2 consecutive days. Now today it's back above that again. So if a previous support turned resistance area or resistance turned support area is crisscrossed so easily like this, it pretty much loses its meaning. So we have support at Friday's low at 66.30, and then below that at 6,500 to 6,550. That lower support has been there for a couple of months now. On the upside, there's resistance at the all-time highs of around 6,900. The equity-only put-call ratios continue to climb, so that's bearish for stocks. But breadth has improved. Breadth was even positive for most of the day on Friday, even though the market was down a lot, or S&P was down a lot. So we're on the verge of a potential buy signal from breadth. That has not come in yet. We did see new lows numbering 100 on each of the last 2 days, and that's not good on the New York Stock Exchange. But we're going to wait to see how that plays out again with today's rally in hand. On a more positive side, VIX has refused to confirm sell signals. In fact, VIX traded all the way up to 23 on Friday, but then back down again to 19. So it's not in spiking mode. It's not above its 200-day moving average. And so the VIX buy signals are still in place. So as you can see, there's sort of a mix of things going on. We're still holding some long positions based on previous buy signals, but we have added some bearish positions based on recent sell signals. So we'll see how this plays out. If you like to keep up to date with us on a daily basis, I invite you to visit our website and take a look at our daily newsletters. Meanwhile, have a great week trading.